In this video, let's see how the exam is going to work with lockdown browser. And yes, this is a Russian keyboard for you to know, but let's not get distracted. So ahead of time, I did download lockdown browser, and now I'm starting it on my computer. This should be done before the exam. Click yes. It starts the lockdown browser and tells me to close all kind of applications in the background. Hopefully you remember your signing ID and the password. Let me hide my password, just a second. Because you will need it, obviously. And now you cannot go and check it because it locks your browser. Okay, I'm pushing myself through the system. And I'm going to my class, which is 265. Exams are located in Canvas. To start the lockdown browser, you go to Canvas in quizzes. But to show you, I will do student view. And now I'm going to go to quizzes. So this is how you see it. I'm going to quizzes. Here it is. Exam 2. I'm starting it. It tells me, don't forget to submit last 3 problems for the exam to Gradescope. We know that. It tells me that I will receive the password soon, but if I take the test without the proctoring, I will receive 0. I know that. And also don't forget to submit your WebWork, because apparently it gives you 0 scores if you don't do that. Take the quiz. Lockdown browser starts. I am agreeing with everything. And then the fun part begins when you show your IDs. When you check the recording. And it checks the system. For now, make sure you prepare scratch papers, lots of scratch papers, but list last 3 scratch papers for the last 3 problems. You need to submit to Gradescope. Make sense? Keep them aside. Now, we click continue. Yes, don't use TV, computer games, and so on and so on. Everything is fine. Okay, taking a photo. Checking, continue. Show your IDs, have your ID. Now it doesn't matter which ID you want, but make sure it has photo there and stuff like that. Now you check you show your room. Nobody's cheating here. Show your shoulders, no headphones, not supposed to have any hats and so on. On a table, everything is clean. You have a video from me how to do this knowledge check. How to do this environment scan. So you show everything and check your own recording. So take your time, do it slowly. Actually, in my previous announcement, I did explain how many minutes it should take to show your environment. Okay, you check the video, you like the video, continue. It should not be 5 seconds, okay? It should be good video checking everything that you don't have any cheat sheets, no notes. Okay. You begin the exam, and what happens now is it takes you to the question where the password is located. So here's the example of the password. And you take this password, copy it, or remember it, and then you go to this first link, or you go to WebWork. Both links should be fine. And here's the password. You put the password here, or type it, and you start the exam. Done. So the timer will start when you click this continue. It will give you 50 minutes. You're supposed to take the exam. Last 3 problems, 3 pieces of paper. You slowly and carefully, step by step, show all your work. Don't forget to submit this exam or else it will give you 0 points. And before you stop lockdown browser, you show your pieces of paper to the camera. You show everything that's to show people what you have. Then you stop lockdown browser because you cannot go to Gradescope without it. So I'm stopping lockdown browser. And then doesn't matter. I'm leaving. And then I go to Gradescope and submit last 3 problems to Gradescope. But you have no rights to change anything on whatever you wrote. And you have only 10 minutes to do so. So timer set up for Gradescope to be done 10 minutes after the time of the exam. The time of the exam is the class time, regardless of your time zone. It should be Arizona. 9:40 to 10:30 a.m. on Wednesday. That's all. I think it's pretty straightforward, but let me know what you think about that, and good luck on the test.